Hey guys, so do you play the game Pokemon TCG Pocket? Well, today I'm going to show you guys how to get a Pokemon TCG Pocket Mod. So this will give you unlimited Pokegold. So as you can see, I just turned it up all the way. So let's see if it goes up. And I'm going to show you guys how to download this. So it's super cool. So yeah, if you guys play Pokemon TCG Pocket, you're going to love this. So let's just see if it maxes out, and I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So as you can see, it should work. So let's see, there we go guys. So I'm going to show you how to download the Sierra device. So it works 2026. So just come here and then the mod will download. So the last thing is the verification, okay? So this is where we got to download 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's 100% free. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So let's just wait for this to download. As you can see, so at the end it says missing files, so you just want to download some of these. So we got like Mode Casino, it says install the app and open it. So yeah, I don't know what to tell you, but just make sure you do 2 of them. Like Family Island, it says reach level 11, so this is super cool guys. So just make sure you download at least 2 of the apps, you're gonna be good to go. So yeah, that's how to get the Pokemon TCG Pocket Mod, so you can get unlimited Pokegolds. So it's super cool. So I'm gonna see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel. This is super wild, you know, it actually works. So if you guys like Pokemon TCG Pocket, be sure to try this out because it's super cool, and you don't have to do anything guys. It's just a straight up verification process. You're gonna be all set. So I'm gonna see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel. So it's super cool. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, but yeah, try it out for yourself, get the word out. This is super amazing guys, totally works. So if this video works to you guys, definitely go ahead and share it. I've been playing Pokemon TCG Pocket for so long, and I've always been a brokey. So now I'm a billionaire. So I'm gonna see you guys later, so definitely try it out. And if we go into the App Store and we type in Pokemon TCG Pocket, as you can see, it is super expensive. So as you can see, here's the Pokemon TCG Pocket. You don't need the normal game install, by the way. But as you can see in the in-app purchases, it is super expensive. So if you want to pay, that's up to you. But chances are, guys, you do not want to pay. So that is how to get Pokemon TCG Pocket Mod for your device. This works 2026. So be sure to try it out. It's super cool. So yeah, I mean, literally guys, just do the verification and you should be good to go. So I'm gonna see you guys later, but yeah, try it out for yourself, get the word out. Super wild, so try it out. Hopefully the video works for you guys. I don't want to make any more videos about methods that don't work, so I'm only trying to share videos about things that actually work. So I'm gonna see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to try it out for yourself. This is super cool. So I'm gonna see you guys in another one, but yeah, just make sure you download at least 2 of the apps and you're gonna be all good to go guys. So yeah, peace out guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. And obviously when you find this in-app purchase thing, you're gonna be depressed, so don't pay for it guys. It's not necessary. You do not have to do in-app purchases. You can just get the Pokemon TCG Pocket Mod for your device. So yeah, this is super cool. So I'm gonna see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel and peace out.